Hey girl, welcome back. Today we're doing this strawberry rosy makeup look as well as getting ready for a summer date night. This video is in partnership with Revolve, one of my favorite places to shop online. And everything I use today can be shopped directly on YouTube. Click the shopping button to shop all the products that I use in today's video. Let's get into this look. So we're going to use one of my favorite foundations from Charlotte Tilbury. This is the Airbrush Flawless Filter. This is one of my favorite foundations for flawless full coverage. It just looks amazing on my skin and it lasts forever. It's one of the foundations that I reach for whenever I'm going out for a long time. And I'm using the shade 14 in this foundation. I'm just going to go over and make sure I blend everything out really well. The coverage is just unmatched with this foundation. Next, we're going to use the Beautiful Skin Radiant Concealer. This is also in the shade 14. I'm going to apply this under my eye and anywhere that I want to highlight. This concealer is also really nice. Honestly, like Charlotte Tilbury as a whole. I'm going to let my concealer dry a little just to get more coverage. And we're going to go in with the Dibs Desert Island Beauty Status Duo. It's a blush as well as a bronzer. I'm going to apply that to my cheeks. I don't know what Dibs puts in their products, but all their stuff smells yummy. Like, it smells like edible makeup. I am going to use this blush as well for my rosy strawberry look. I'm going to blend out the bronzer and concealer first. Oh my gosh, this blends so nice. Don't sleep on this product. This blends out so beautifully. It looks so natural. You can't tell me I didn't just come back from vacation. Like, this looks real good. I'm going to blend the concealer with my sponge. The longer you let your concealer sit, the more coverage you get. Instead of applying layers and layers of concealer, just letting the concealer sit for a little longer will give you more coverage. It just gets a little more tacky and it gives a little bit more coverage. I'm going to take that all the way up here just to create like a lifted look. It's like upwards V. I'm also going to take a little concealer and just place it under my brow. I'm going to set the concealer with the Charlotte Tilbury powder. This is the Airbrush Flawless Powder, one of my favorite powders. It's just so amazing. If you've used this powder, you know it's like given filtered skin. I'm also going to bring that upwards to give myself that natural facelift. This is such a holy grail powder and it has been part of my routine for so long at this point. It's kind of crazy. I'm going to apply some on my eyelid as well, just to prevent extra creasing. I also like to set my forehead, just any area that gets more oily for me, which is like my T-zone. Summer, it's hot outside, I need to set properly, so I'm going to apply some right here as well. I'm going to use this Tower 28 mascara for my bottom lashes. I love that the wand is curved. It just makes it a little easier to apply. I can get close to my lashes a lot easier. And then when I flip it the other way, I feel like I get like really close to the root of my lashes. This is so pretty. I love this color. Can we get a moment for this pink? We're going to use the Charlotte Tilbury lip liner in the shade Foxy Brown. This shade is not as deep as my Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk. I wanted something that was still dark brown but not as deep, just so the lip gloss can really shine in this lip combo. This is the gloss we're going to use. It's called Strawberry Summer and it basically inspired this entire look. I'm going to go over my contour just to blend everything out. I am obsessed with this lip gloss. I live for a nice, juicy, glossy, sparkly, shiny lip gloss, and this is it. Finishing off this look with my Charlotte Tilbury bronzer. This is my favorite powder bronzer. It's just amazing. Gonna apply this over the cream bronzer for some extra bronziness. I love this bronzer, it's so good. This is another Charlotte Tilbury essential in my opinion. It's just so amazing and it lasts forever. I've had this one container for ages. I want to do a half up, half down, kind of like this with my hair, and I want to use this clip. So my makeup is done. It's given strawberry rosy glam. I'm loving it. So I'm gonna go get dressed and then we'll do some body care as well. I am gonna be using the Salt and Stone deodorant. This smells so good. It has bergamot as well as hinoki. I'm going to be using this Kopari moisturizer. This is amazing. It's thick. It gets you really nice and moisturized. I'm all about glowy skin, so I will be topping it off with this Kopari Golden Aura body oil. For fragrance, I'm using Poets of Berlin, one of my current favorites for the summer. It is so beautiful. I'm finally done getting ready. I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.